Hey everyone, this is Tracy with Color Me This. I'm going to call this the conclusion to my September haul. It actually is video number 3. I have to video this because this is the size of the box that I received from Joann that has one thing in it. It has the Prismacolor 150 set in the box. It's 18 by 12 by 12. It looks huge. It does not feel like there's a bunch of padding in it. And then after we open this up, all I need to do is grab the 2 pencils that are the new replacement purples. And then my used from Goodwill in Minnesota coloring book came. And I am not going to do a walkthrough of this today. I just want to share. It's actually an older r.j.hampson book. So I might skim through it to see in what condition it's in. It claimed that it was in good condition, so it may or may not have some pages colored. I am moving around to grab a box knife. They ship FedEx. I've had mixed results with FedEx. Stampin' Up! Switched from UPS to FedEx, and their shipping, FedEx will say that something's coming and it'll get stuck, and it's just weird. So here is the padding that was inside this box. I told you it did not feel very well padded. So I know that Prismacolors are especially breakable, so that's not too pleasing. Not only that, we have no padding at all underneath the box. And here they are in all their beautiful glory. I do not think I have a peacock on my box. Let's see if we want to know about the colors. And of course, the 2 new colors to replace the old colors. I'm going to leave this right here and hope it stays safely, because my worksheets that will show me, I'm going to pause really quick and go grab the worksheets so we can check and see if they are the new colors or the old. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Here is my master color conversion chart. It is missing 2 colors, 1105 Orchid and 1104 Amethyst. I can tell you there's Orchid and there's Amethyst. So I will have the 2 new colors, making my color conversion chart complete. And there it is in all its glory. So I am going to I have my old box. It'll be interesting to see if the old box has a different image on it, because I think it does. I think it has a... I don't want to speculate. Okay. Since I have you guys here, here you go. Now this is interesting. PC 1022 replaced with PC 1077. My chart is not by color order. I don't even know what color a PC 1022 is. All right, here, PC 1022 is a blue. I have that blue. Let's see. So, and I've read some grumblings about this. So let's look at the chart this way so you can see. It'll be a lighter blue. That's 1102. I'm trying to, so that's the color. Right there. Yep, Mediterranean blue. So I have that. And 1077, my question with that replacement is 1077 a new color that I do not have on this list? I cannot answer that right now. I do have space to add, look, 1031 henna. I actually, here, I rotated it. So 1031 henna is already added because somewhere along the line, not on my swatch chart, but on this chart, I missed it somehow, some way. And 1077, I'm assuming is blue, very similar to that, and I see 1079 here. I do not see a 1077. So if indeed that is a new color, I will have that new color. So more on that. I guess the saga will still continue. And when I get to the color conversion, which is, like I said, like 80% done, I will get to talk about that. So that is all I have. Oh, I'm going to open it up though. That's the back. I am somewhat precariously perched here. So I'm going to move it so that you can see most of the box. And I am going to look for the purples. Okay, so they must have a shortage of the Mediterranean blue. This jumped right out at me, and that is the 1077 is the colorless blender. So it is not a new color. And our two new purples are probably right here. Here is Orchid, and here is Amethyst. Grabbing, I'm gonna close this. All right, so 1105 Orchid. Now keep in mind this replaces lavender. So if you go, wow, that's really close to that one, they should be very close, if not the same, I would think. Soft and Prismacolor-y, of course. And then the next one is 1104 Amethyst. I believe that replaces the lilac, so let's just see. They're a little bit different, aren't they? I see why they gave them different names. The amethyst is even closer to the lilac than the orchid is to the lavender. So there you have it. You have watched me complete my master conversion chart Prismacolor, which is going to be like the gateway to all of my obscure sets that I have that people might want to have a conversion chart for because there isn't one in existence. The first conversion I'm doing right now is finishing the Starjoy Gold. That's the end of this one piece. I'm going to leave this Prismacolor box here. It's a good base for where I'm at. That way I don't have to change the height on my camera. I'm unboxing the book. Let's see what a good quality book from Minnesota, Goodwill. They have double wrapped it, but there's no padding. This is Forest Song. I haven't got quite to the cover yet. Forest something. It is my second r.j.hampson book. Here it is, Forest Song. Okay, so another quick pause. I will shift because I want you to see the whole book. And I will come back on my desk. All right, Forest Song. Used condition, used good condition. $6.98, I believe. And that's shipping and the price of the book. We will do the fastest walkthrough ever. I assume that this being an older book, let's see what year is this book even published. (2022). So I can tell you the spine has not been cracked. Maybe it feels brand new. So let's just continue our page by page very quick. I have a little bend in the book right here, you can see. Here's a wonderful fall scene with the squirrels. Oh, yeah, I like this so far. Just the first three are perfect. I'm really into squirrels, so we have lots of squirrels. Cardinals. We have red cardinals here, or cardinals versus blue jays that kind of look the same but different colors. Yeah, that fold is on every page. But from this side, I can't see it. Seasons. I am lacking autumn season coloring pages. As you saw, I searched high and low for some pumpkin pages for fall and was successful. That's a good winter one. I have to feel in for ripped edges. A lot of times they will rip out anything colored, so you won't notice it right away. I still love these mini images you get to color on the off page. I wonder if this is the book that has 25 images, and then you have, yep, nope. You have the dark image set. This might not be that. Second set of images, there you go. So the first set of 25 have not been colored. Oh, and that's not dark. Interesting. Oh, it's just a second set of images, no alterations. Well, that's nice. I love that one. That's very cute. Okay, there we go. Love that. So right now, mainly, we are just going through looking for colored images or damage, like the corner bend, the first half, it isn't here. So the back set of images are clean. So far, I really like that. Yeah, see in this back spine, it has not been broken. I think I'm gonna make a good report at this point, even if the very last couple of images, look at that, perfectly clean, under $7. Boom. Very happy. That's it. Do all the YouTube things, like, share, comment, and consider subscribing, and I will see you back at the Daily Color.